Hi guys, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here to bring you Walmart clearance from Easter all the way to laundry care and everything in between. These items that are coming up first are going to be 50% off. These items are your Easter items. This includes this giant Peeps pillow. It will include your candy, your pre-made Easter baskets, the Easter basket stuffers, the Easter grass, Easter baking, the big bags of candy, you name it. If it was Easter, it is 50% off. I took visuals in my store, or these little video clips that are playing through right now, to give you an idea of basically what's left at my store. There is a small clip of video that is missing. There was somebody walking back and forth and I didn't have their permission to post them in a video, so I did cut that out. What is missing in that is there was like these cardboard PDQs in the middle of the aisles, and they had like little travel games and things like that for all Easter themed. Those items are also included, but I'm going to let these play through and I'll be back in a moment with some more clearance. So this is the type of PDQ that I was talking about. Up next, these items were found in my designated clearance section, and everything here is from Cricut to like hardware type things, which is doorknobs, locks. We have some housewares. There is so much on clearance, and this is just a sampling because I would be there for another day taking pictures of everything in the clearance section. A lot of their clearance section was a Mod Podge of stuff. So I got the best of the best for you. What I have in my store may vary from what you have in your store. This is just to give you an idea of items that you may find for clearance. The prices for me may be different. They may be lower or higher for you. With Walmart clearance, prices do vary by location, so keep that in mind. You'll probably find things that I didn't see in my store. Again, it just varies. So I'm going to let these play through and I'll be back in a moment with the laundry detergent clearance. There's some important information on that I have to share with you. Okay, so as we come into these laundry clearance items, the pricing that you see on the yellow sticker here is what I found in the store. The day that I took these pictures, these clearance tags were up. The next day, these clearance tags were not up, but I will say this, there was no space on the shelf for these items. So they're probably still clearance. They could be moved to your clearance section. I'm not sure where they went in my store. I searched high and low. They could have all been bought up. But I wanted to share these with you because laundry at lower prices, especially if you have coupons or there's rebates, this is a great time to stock up. I mean, this is 240 loads for $12. This one's 177 loads for $12. If I had a choice between the two, I'd go with the higher count. But that's just me. So again, check if you find these in your store, check your rebates or your coupons through like Shopmium, that kind of thing, because that's extra savings. If you know somebody that needs laundry detergent, this is a good time to say, hey, I saw these. You might want to check these out. Please feel free to share our video because we'd love for everybody to be able to save money. So we're coming up to the last item that I had found for clearance laundry. And I just want to say, make sure you check. What I have may be different from what you have. So like, comment, share, and definitely follow. Leave us a comment. Let us know if you find the laundry detergent in your area or if it's different. You can find us in all the places you see here. And we want to say thank you so much for watching. We'll be back with the next big deal. Bye, guys.